Hey folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And what we have here is a 1941 Dodge Power Wagon. It says former military. Look at that thing, won't you? Be a cool truck to own. It's at an auction. I'm gonna try to hold that long enough you guys can freeze frame it. Blow it up, freeze frame it, whatever you need to do. Alright. It says please do not touch, but I asked the guy could I open the doors and the hoods and he said I could, so I guess you gotta touch them to do that. So that's why I touched it. I wonder if that's a tray. I don't want to pull it out. Oh, this would be fun to have. It really would. From what I understand, these things are incredibly slow on today's highways, like 50 mile an hour top. I think these tires are kind of expensive. There's 5 new ones on it. Man, I'd love to have this. Let's look up underneath here. Is this your original tail light? Is that like a modern LED? Got some chips in the wood here. Pretty cool. Even the steering wheel's been restored. Nice. A little chip in it right there. He's won some awards with it. Pretty nice. Got a PTO. Alright folks, pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Check out some of the other videos we got. I'm up here at the auction today, working at auction. So check out some of the other stuff we got. Hit the videos on them, hit the like button on them. Bob out.